Very good to get different perspectives from different people. First of all, every speaker brings in so much of richness of data and experience, and they have a very clear vision about where they're going, what they're doing, and why they're doing it, more importantly. And they're able to present all those metrics. That's really very fruitful for me. And overall, I mean, the diversity and richness of ideas and thoughts and conversations that I've experienced is phenomenal.
They covered everything from some really pragmatic advice on how to implement digital solutions and where to implement digital solutions and AI, to some of the more softer skills in terms of, what is it we're doing to actually drive profitability as an industry, and then how we're going to address some of the skill shortages that we've got around the world since the advent of COVID and people just not wanting to work as much as what they did before.
You got the balance right between the networking and the case studies and the actual presentations. And we had a very relaxed atmosphere, which I think is important. People feel comfortable with asking questions. And I think that's key, and well done on that.